Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the stock chart of Twitter Inc. And this is very interesting because if you are looking at any kind of technology platform, though it is related to product, services, social media, so everything does come under IT and technology, and the kind of clean sweep advantage we have right now across the globe and the kind of dominance the technology and technology related products and services are showing is indeed turns the table after 20 odd years, because the same phenomenon we have seen before Y2K and the same we are going to see in this year and in the years to come, because there are some reasons which are pushing this particular sector, and you need to understand this. And for that you need not to have a great learner or great researcher or having a great IQ. It's just a simple observation. Just pull out the technology related stocks. It doesn't matter whether those are the FANG stocks or any other stocks. Just pull out those stocks and you can see the trend, the change in share price, and the way the stock price has moved up. Okay, so this is a simple thing which you need to understand. And if you're looking at this stock chart, so we are looking at a weekly chart, because the data is limited in nature. So the data is available since 2013, and from the highs of 2013, which was 75 odd dollars. Okay, so the stock went down. The stock went down towards 14 odd dollars in the year 2016 and 17, and again it moved up, it went up. Okay, it went up. So the trend is something like this. Let me just explain you the trend. So if you look at this, the trend is something like this. There is a sharp upside, then there is this consolidation or correction. So once this is done, this trend is done, the next trend will be like this. Okay, so next wave probably you can say, though there are lots of volatility in between, but the trend has not broken yet, because for that the stock needs to come down towards its 2016 or 17 lows. That is yet to happen. But one thing which we need to know or observe here or taken care of is about the trend. So our optimism or our target, big target or big resistance, will be its previous resistance or previous high of the year 2013, which is around 75 odd dollars. So let the chart decide. Once it goes above and sustain above 75 odd dollars, 75 76 odd dollars, then we will say that a new trend has started. Before that, it's just a consolidation. Just consider this chart as a consolidating one and a flat chart. Okay, otherwise what will happen, because these kind of trends with lots of volatility, what does happen is just this. Okay, because of this volatility the stock may go up. It doesn't matter, because the swings are so high, it will go up and it will falls down very sharply. That's why I'm saying let the stock decide. Once it settles above, when it settles and sustain some time period above 75 76 odd dollars, will itself give a confirmation that the stock has made a substantial support or bottom and it is ready to go up. So that's what I'm trying to say. Before that, do not anticipate anything which may cause risk for your investment. So inside this consolidating trend, your immediate support will come at around 38 odd dollars. Below that, 29, and if it breaks 29, then 26. Below 26, 23, So I'm talking about all the important support and resistance levels. So these are support levels. Below 23 there is 20, and then we have 14. We have a major support in between 14 to 14.5. Okay, so these are your major support levels, and you should know, and if you can write it down, it's good for you. You can check and refer. If you don't, then you just know your reference levels. Okay, so that's the thing you need to do. Or probably I can just shift this one. I just can just shift this to 37 or dollars rather than the previous one. And coming to the targets or resistance, your first target will be at around $46, which was your previous target. Once the stock price goes above that, then 54, 55 odd dollars, and beyond that 75. But for the time being, let your optimism or your big target restricted to 75, 76 odd dollars. Once the trend itself says, or the price itself says that yes, I want to make a breakout, yes, I will sustain over 75, 76 odd dollars, then we will automatically decide and say that a new breakout has happened and a new trend is or has already begun. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.